Ashley. Just wanted to say hi. Keep in touch. So we're going to the mall today. Nothing really exciting. You know, same old stuff we do every day, right, Brandon? Mm-hmm. I got a cookie, and I'm really excited about it.
I'm so excited. Okay, stop it. Turn it off. Stop it! See what's right there. Stop it! Whoa. We're getting honked at. That's really scary.
Here, watch out. There's a skateboarder in the road.
All right, bye.
Okay, don't hit him.
Boom.
It's not, no.
20 points.
So Janae finally texted you?
Yeah.
Can I tell you a secret? You won't tell anyone? You're gonna tell? No, I'm being serious.
Yeah, tell me.
I love you.
Take a look at this. See this woman here? This beautiful woman ever. I love her with all my heart. Yeah.
It's finally getting directions.
Yeah, okay. All right. Now
they're gonna send it?
Mm-hmm. Been there for 10 minutes.
My boyfriend, who doesn't know how to drive.
I got a message.